Hi guys, I'm showing this video about this project here. That's commercial. Here we poured concrete for patio. Here you can see diamond, footers, and curb walls, and pour grouts, non-shrinkage. Here you can see we did control joint at the same time. Control joint at the same time. Like square. Okay guys, then we'll put expansion paper. Here you can see tape, plastic, and dowels for concrete. Here same thing, you can see that here, framing. Okay, steel structure, framing, Simpson. And here you can see control joint here from that corner to that here. Control joints here, that is saw cut control joint. That is because that will be covered here, that will be patio. You can see lighter broom finish joint. Here you can see framing with Simpson here, metal framing. Okay, here's 6 inches. Okay, here you can see plumbing. Okay, electrical. Okay guys, it's inside. Okay guys, header, double stud at the door opening. Here 3 stud and the 3 stud, louver LVL. You can see here 12 inches LVL. You can see here, that's about electrical work. Here inside you can see Simpson tie support. Here that slab is below grade. You can see plywood here, clips. Okay, between roofing sheathing. You can see louver, LVL. Okay, plumbing work, electrical work, conduit, and MBC. Flexible conduit here. Okay guys, you can see support. Okay, and still metal window framing. Okay guys, please, if you like this video, I will upload more video. Please, if you like this video about concrete work, metal stud here, wood stud 4 inches and 6 inches exterior, electrical work, plumbing work. Okay, you can see here how they notch that to be inside the wall. Okay, and here they drill a hole. Sometimes they cut it, but here it's good, they drill a hole. Okay guys, electrical work and roofing work, framing, that's beams, and overhead there for doors, LVL above doors, and the framing Simpsons. You can see Simpson tie, for roofing work. Okay, here you can see all that beam. So please just subscribe, like this video. If you have any question, I will answer your question. Thank you guys. Bye.